boy Chef Reid
and Chef Alexander here.
Tell you with our next epic video, guys. Epic, E-P-I-C. So you want to know for me. Like the video, share the video.
Drop some banger comments down below. Run over to King and Alice, subscribe, share out the video them.
And get us to 1K, guys.
Yeah, guys. So
yeah. And tell one thing about you intro them. Bang, bang, boom!
we're out. Welcome back, guys. So from your see the title, you don't know what we're going today. Yes, guys, some pimento sea bass. And you don't know the ingredients, let me tell you what we're going. We have our salt and pepper, guys. It's a little bit of pepper because you don't know, followed by some pimento, which is spice, and that pepper just the same. And we have our cracked pimento right there with the CRA all-purpose. When you see it in the store, just buy it. And the star of the show, or sea bass.
Yeah, guys, so I don't know what I want. So right now, we're just going to get right into the seasoning. So what you want? We're going to start with the salt and pepper first. Because you don't know what the mother seasoning.
Yes, guys.
And remember, guys, to season from high, so it's evenly spread.
And remember, in everything we do, we must have flavor and taste. Yeah, guys.
Yeah, guys, and we'll cut them in a 4.5 ounces. So you know what I want. 4.5 ounces, precisely.
Don't know.
The little one down there, so just a sample.
Yeah, guys.
Them one are really the order. So what you are going? Don't do that till I got to massage in the salt on the side. Yeah.
Yes, guys. Get it all up in there because you don't know. Flavor is everything, right?
I'm going to heat a turn.
Do the same on the next side.
More salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. And remember, you don't want to add too much salt and pepper because the CRA will complement the salt and pepper.
Yes, guys. So use it lightly.
Alright, now time for the CRA, guys.
CRA all-purpose. Yes, guys, it's good for your fish, your chicken, whatever you're cooking, your meat, your poultry, whatever. It is good, guys. Don't worry yourself. You soon see it on the market. And if you want to see it soon, just drop it in the comment section and let us know. Repeat on the next side. Look at that, man. Look at the color. Look at that color, guys. Beautiful, right?
Alright, guys. I know what we're going now. Yes. We'll crack some pimento.
Just a little.
This is why we don't use too much of the black pepper, guys.
Yes, guys.
Because this is spicy as well. Who know pimento know that?
And this is our pimento sea bass, right?
And we got pan fried.
Guys, this pimento crack Jesus. The kitchen.
The aroma.
Guys,
off your nose like
I'm saying it's such lovely smell. Yes, guys. Look at that, man. I don't know what time it is with fish season now, so we're gonna get on with the frying. So let us go. Let's go.
Yeah, but, You know the meanwhile, while the pot are going hot up, this are going to rest. So we want it to rest for like a 10 minutes so the pimento absorb
in that fish, right?
Oh my lord.
And you can do this 30 minutes before you start cooking or even overnight, guys.
Better. So,
best flavor.
Forward we do that, guys.
Yeah.
Now we're going over the aisle. I'm going to submerge this. Bang, bang, boom.
Forward. Yes, guys, you see our oil heat up at the right temperature. You notice that you're seeing a little smoke coming from the oil. Perfect, because remember, sea bass is a very delicate fish. You want to get the oil extremely hot to prevent sticking. Let's get it right into this.
Yeah, guys, and remember to layer Reid.
Yes, guys, coming in with the next piece, and we'll allow this to fry on each side for 4 minutes precisely, and then you can give it a turn, right?
Talk to me, eh?
Guys,
Talk to me, eh? The sound like a scratch record, don't? Me sound like a scratch record. Don't
Look at that,
take it
guys.
down, guys.
The aroma is so amazing, guys. That pimento being submerged in the oil. Awesome. So you don't know, we are catching it back when it's time to do the frying. But first, we're gonna add some pimento in that oil. I remember pimento sea bass, you know, remember that part. Right?
And if you ask what oil we are using, guys, it's coconut.
Coconut oil, yes.
You notice it's frothy? That's the cream from the coconut, the custard.
Yes,
And then the
guys.
sea bass fat. So you know the compliment there.
Guys,
Banging!
it smells so awesome. So we'll catch you guys back when we're doing the turn, right? We're so forward.
So forward.
Yes, guys, look at that. You don't know what time it is. Time to give this a flip or a turn, whichever way you want to call it. Look at that. You realize that it's good when the oil is heated at the right temperature. Easy flip, right? No sticking. And if you have a non-stick pot or skillet, that would be fine.
Just like this one we're using right now.
Yes, guys. Perfect,
It's a bit
right?
expensive, but it's worth the money.
Cost, yes, guys. And we added the small piece of camera. Look at that.
So the color with the pimento.
Look at that, guys.
Look on the color with the pimento produce. The color is so beautiful, guys.
So
Take it in,
beautiful.
okay? And the warm up this, you know. You never ever hear about pimento fish? I have the pimento chicken and come soon too. Look out for it.
Yes,
It's
guys.
epic.
Tell us your comments tell us your views in the comment section down below. How you think this is going to turn out? Would you eat this? Yeah, guys. Remember our event is coming up August the 14th. Come out and support us. To miss is to this.
Make it a date, no make it, don't be late. So just take in the rest of the video. We're so forward again.
Yes, guys. We'll be coming back when it's removal time, right? We're so forward again. Look at that, guys. Ready? I'm ready.
Yeah, guys, and if you never know, say, the start ready, the veg ready, the fish ready, everything ready. So look out for the EPIC.
Epic plating, guys. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers. Spam up the comment section. And we'll place this on a paper towel to drain the excess oil, right? Look
This
at
is
that.
what a good pot does.
Yes, guys. Look at that.
Stick free and remove without breakage.
So, guys, I could jump in at the banger plating now.
We're so forward again.
So forward. Something wrong with the video? Yeah, something wrong with the video because you don't like it, you don't subscribe yet, you don't drop that banger comment there yet, so I give you 1 minute to do that. Supposed to do that now? Alright, we could get into the video. Yes, guys, look at that, man. Look at that. You don't know from your city plate what time it is, you know. Saucepan plate.
I will say everything, you know.
Yes, guys, you don't know from here the scrape. Everything.
Alright, guys. So right now, come with some veg, no?
You don't know, guys. You have to keep it balanced. Look at that red with that green and that orange. Guys, tell me if this is not serving. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Such a beauty. Look at that, man. I'm loving it. This looks really nice. You don't know Chef Alexander is all about color. Beautiful.
Everything.
You don't know everything. Chef Reid, you know?
Nothing now, yes?
Nothing, nada, sure, guys. Yes, guys. So how you think this is going to turn out? Star of the show, man of the hour, or pimento sea bass. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, right? And guys, it's not burnt. You don't know it's pimento, so it's gonna have a little char right there, right? Something to look forward to. So when you stop by, just ask for the pimento sea bass. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Guys, I'm loving this. I am so loving this. Looks great.
More hearing in the comment section.
Mm-hmm.
No, so I pause how long and not say nothing.
Let us hear you guys in the comment section. Comment if you think him should have did move that or make it stay.
It is for move, man. Distracting the people, them eyes.
Look at that.
So I got garnish now, guys.
You don't know. Time for look at the levels, guys. Elevation. Look at all of that. Beautiful, right? Remember, guys, if you're not subscribed as yet, hope you consider subscribing if you reach this far. Follow our Instagrams. Pictures will be posted over there. And follow us on our couple channel. That's King and Ali. Over there is where you will get the challenges and all of that. Right there. Adding life, right? Beautiful. This is so amazing. If you agree, just drop it in the comment section.
Simple.
Elegant. Yes, guys. Simple does it sometimes. Sometimes you have simple ingredients in your fridge. And you really don't know how they can turn out. But if you want us to do a leave over series, you can just let us know. So you can know what to do with those leavovers, right? Don't have to waste them.
Not enough for waste, guys.
Not a thing.
If you don't like it, don't buy it.
Right there.
Tell me what you think.
What do you guys think? Is this serving looks? What you think about this? What do you think about this, guys? What do you guys think? Let us hear in the comment section. See how me I give you know the time of the day make you know I see and I enjoy all of this.
So right now, guys, guess what I gotta do?
We're going to clean up the plate and forward back, guys. We're so forward. Yes, guys. Look at that, man. Look at that. Beautiful. Elegant. Hey, Trono rich.
Little banana croquettes over there, so.
Yes, guys.
Tomato sauce under there, so.
And
veg
our
on top. And the pimento
sea bass.
Bang, bang, boom.
Guys, remember, come in, order your pimento sea bass. We do at home catering, drop off, whatever you want. Just DM us in our Instagram. Professional, strictly business over there, and be respectful, right? So, you don't know, we are going to just leave on with a bang. So, until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.